I've been carrying my MacBook Pro just like this to the office and back home every single day, and as you can imagine, not the best thing to keep it protected, keep it from the scratches that I don't want to have on the surface of the MacBook Pro, right? So I got myself that little tomtoc that, I've seen everywhere, everyone loves it, and there's a good reason for that. I literally just used it for the first time today, and look at this plush, like I'm talking so soft. It almost feels like a couch or a bed for my laptop. You have the nice kind of like contour right here that's super, super plush as well. A really nice zipper. But my favorite thing is that it is, for this one in particular, and they do have different sizes. This is the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and look at that. Perfectly fitted. Look at that, even the corners. So you do have that kind of like protection on all corners. So I am not afraid to kind of just have this in the car, put it in the back seat, anything at all. Really nice sturdy zipper on both sides. I've got two different zippers, of course, right here. And look at that. It still is super flat, very easy to carry. Stylish as well. And you also have an extra little zipper right here if I have any types of papers, or maybe I want to bring my my USB-C cable that came with the MacBook right here. I can actually have everything here and I'm good to go. Looks fantastic. They come in different sizes depending on the laptop that you have, but yeah, I highly recommend it.